After years of speculation and rumors, Yamaha finally pulled back the curtain, but not with a full reveal. The first thing they showed the world wasn't the bike, but a photo of the exhaust. But just that small snippet sent the entire MotoGP world into a frenzy. The sound was different, louder, more assertive, and far more intense. It was a statement that Yamaha was moving in a direction they'd never taken before, abandoning their long-standing inline-4 configuration and seriously pursuing the V4 path. And sure enough, sometime later, during a private test session in Brno, the Yamaha M1 V4 prototype finally appeared in its entirety. It wasn't just a silhouette or a sound. It was a complete, tangible, and utterly compelling motorcycle. The design immediately caught the eye. The exhaust was now located under the seat, a classic nod to the V4 architecture. The massive swing arm appeared to be equipped with a sophisticated optical sensor, and most strikingly, the gold-plated heat shield, a Ducati signature, was now present on the Yamaha, a testament to their seriousness. At the rear, the newly designed aerodynamic wing shows a strong KTM influence. Yamaha clearly focused not only on the engine, but also refined the aerodynamics, making this bike a complete performance package. The performance of the V4 engine is immediately noticeable. Top speed is significantly increased, and acceleration out of corners is more explosive, an advantage that inline-4 engines struggle to match. And with the exhaust now located under the seat, the signal is even stronger. Yamaha has truly changed course. More than just replacing the engine, Yamaha has also completely redesigned the chassis, tailoring it to the characteristics of the V4. This isn't just a technical evolution, it's a philosophical revolution in their racing strategy. Yamaha is now fully committed to this M1 V4 project. If all goes according to plan, the bike will make its wildcard debut at the end of the 2025 season, likely with Augusto Fernandez, who is said to be a strong candidate to ride it first on track. The big goal? A full 2026 season with this new bike, as part of thorough preparation for the new MotoGP regulations that will come into effect in 2027. After a long wait, the Yamaha M1 V4 is finally a reality. It's not just a rumor, it's not just an ambition, it's the beginning of a new chapter for Yamaha in MotoGP, faster, sharper, and now it's completely different.